Afternoon all, it's Monday the 29th I think of September, and I've just finished plumbing in this cast iron radiator. It was pretty heavy, hiking it up the rickety wooden stairs, very heavy, and I got a mate to help me with that and it was great. So that was over the weekend, so I've just finished plumbing it in. I've got the brass valves. I give them a rub with a Scotch-Brite just because I prefer the sort of slightly more weathered look of the finish rather than the shiny brass. So I've just used Yorkshire fittings. I'm no plumber, so Yorkshire fittings seem to fit my skill level anyway, so don't judge too harshly on them. I'm not quite ready for end feed yet. So yeah, it's all up and running. I've filled it with water. There's no leaks yet, but I'll wait until I turn the light the Rayburn and it's under some pressure from the central heating pump to see whether or not the whole lot holds water really. So yeah, that's that. Last video in the series. So I'd say the series out of 2 or 3 I think it is. So thanks for watching, and see you for the next one.